To understand today's gospel reading, we must go back to Jesus' times. The religious leaders of Jews were called rabbis. And the rabbis told the people, if your brother or sister sins against you, 3 times you can forgive them, maximum 3 times. So Peter thought he is extra generous. Therefore he comes to Jesus and asks a question. If my brother sins against me, how many times shall I forgive him? 7 times? Jesus says, not 7 times, 70 times 7. What that means? Literally it means 490. But Jesus meant innumerable times. Every time your brother asks forgiveness, forgive him. And then Jesus tells that parable. Now in the parable, the king calls all those who owe money to him, who have taken as a loan. And one fellow was brought, he owed 10,000 talents. Now to understand, talent is like money. 1 talent is equal to, in those days, wages of a laborer for 20 years. 20 years. So 10,000 means, in our today's calculation, let us presume the daily wage now is rupees 800 for a common laborer. 800 multiplied by 365 days, multiplied by 20 years, multiplied by 10,000, it will come approximately 5,510 crores. Huge amount, huge amount. Because he fell at his feet, the king cancelled the debt. Cancelled the debt. But the same servant went out and he caught hold of his fellow servant. And that fellow servant owed him 100 denarii. Now 1 denarius in those days means 1 day's wages. Say 800 rupees per day. We calculate 100 denarii will come 80,000. Just imagine 5,510 crores were cancelled. And this man was not ready to give him some time to pay the debt of 80,000. He put him in the prison till he pays the last penny. So when the king came to know him, he punished him. And then Jesus says, same thing my heavenly Father will do to you if you do not forgive your brother. It includes also sister. A very serious statement by Jesus. If I do not forgive my brother or sister or anybody, God will not forgive me. I will be punished. It is not God is punishing me, I punish myself. Therefore, forgiveness is the hallmark of Christianity. Those who are not ready to forgive others cannot call them disciples of Jesus. No, no. So let us ask for this grace that we may forgive others for our own sake, that we will be forgiven by God.